Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 128 of Surat Al Anaam and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ويوم يحشرهم جميعا يا معشر الجن ومخرج of our circle in your lips فتح open your jaws the sound is short Ew. Yeah is light and this is wow lean so when you're attaching fatha with wow you're making it soft Ew. Amma for fatha open your jaws the sound is short yeah. Keep ya light for fatha open jaws attached. Ha should be from your throat with hums. Yeah, shu for dhamma circle your lips. The sound is short. Oru ra is heavy for dhamma. The sound is circle your lips and the sound is short. Oru hum for dhamma circle your lips attached. Mim you will get sifa of the wasit and hukmu idhar. Ja, and don't escape any sound or breath in Jim. This is Majhura letter. Ja, me, two counts long. I, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. I, yeah, two counts long. Ma, ain should be from your throat with the wasut. Ma, she for fatha open jaws the sound is short oral ra is heavy fatha open jaws attached lam will get sip up tawasut oral jin for kasra give e sound attached noon will get sip up gunna this gunna is akmal so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time ni with kasra the sound is short off is heavy for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. This for kasra give e sound attached with sin. Sin will get sip of rokawa. It has sapir and it is light. This tak ta is sharp. No flow of breath or sound. And for fatha open jaws attached with kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hums. Whenever kaf is with sukoon, give nice hums on it. Tak tak thel tha the makhraj of tha is when you you put the tip of your tongue under the frontal two teeth. This is a makhraj of tha thel tha for fatha open jaws and then attach it. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it and ra will get above the wasut. Thel tum ta is sharp for the circle lips and then attach it meme. This is idgham shafawi, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. There is a nice gunna here. Tum ni for kasra give e sound. Nal for fatha upon jaws attach it. Lam will get sifa of the wasud. Yes. Ikhfa. Yes. It should not be too long. So it will be yes. Ikhfa, you are hiding the sound in your nose. You are going towards the makhraj of sin. And when you are giving a sukoon here because of the waqf, the sin will get rukhawa. It has safir and it is light. Is makhraj of waw is circle in your lips for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws. And because of heavy letter, this alif is heavy too. Qa, I make it two counts long. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Aw, hamza is sharp. And this is waw lean. So when you are attaching fatha waw, you're making it soft. Aw, make it two counts long. Li, focus give e sound. Yeah, keep ya light, make it four counts long because this is mad muttasil wajib. For dhamma circular lips, the sound is very sharp. Hum for dhamma circular lip, as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position, and this is idgham shafawi. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. hum, ni. For kasra, give E sound. Nal, si. For kasra, give E sound. Rab. Ra is heavy. For fatha, open jaws. And ba will get sifa of shidda. Shidda means the makhraj will cut off the sound abruptly. Rabba, ba. For fatha, open jaws. Nas. Noon is not anymore long because it is attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa. It has a feed and it is light. Nas, tam, ta is sharp of fatha upon jaws attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut and hukm without. Tam, ta, very sharp sound, very clear sound. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ba, keep ba and light. Ain should be from your throat and with tawassut. Ba. Blue, dot is heavy for the circle lips. The sound is short. Na, two counts long. B, focus to give E sound. The sound is short. Ba. For fatha upon jaws attach it. Ein will get sifa of tawassut. It gone with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time and make sure that you make dod heavy too and wow light. Wa. Makhraj of wow. Circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. Ba. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Law. Lam is light, but ghain is heavy. Ghain will get sifa of raqawa. And remember, qaf, kha, and ghain are musta'aliyah, but they are munfatiha letter. So show that that quality here. Law, na. 4 counts long, but munfasil jaiz. And make sure when you're making it long, you should not go into your nose when you're making the sound long. Na, hamza is sharp. Ja, give majhura letter its haq. No flow of breath or sound. Ja, la, for fatha upon jaws. Nal, for fatha upon jaws attached lam. Lam will get about the wasat. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The mad munfasil jazz, make it 4 counts long. I'm sorry. Ad, hamza is sharp. Fatha upon jaws attached to jim. Jim will get sifa of shidda. Ajjal, ajjal. There should not be that chanak sound in jim. It is not cha, it is j. Ajjal, ajjal, ta. Ta is sharp for fatha upon jaws. Lana, 2 counts long. Qa, because of qaf, alif is heavy too. Qa, make it 2 counts long. Lan, for fatha upon jaws attached. Noon you get sifa qunna. This qunna is sakma. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, uru, ra is heavy. For dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. Math, tha will get sifa of rukhawa and hams and engage the right makhraj so to pronounce this rakhawa. Math, wa. Make sure you circle your lips for wow. Make it 2 counts long. Kum, for dhamma circle your lips set at mim. Mim will get sifa of tawassut. Kha, remember, kha, munfatiha, at the same time musta'aliyah. Khali, for kasra give E sound. D, 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Fi, give hums and make it 2 counts long. Ha, mad munfasil jaiz, make it 4 counts long. Il, hamza is sharp, for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sip of tawassut. La, 2 counts long. Ma, 2 counts long. Sha, Allah. When you are making it long because it is mad muttasil wajib, don't go into your nose. Hamza is sharp. Allah. And you know what ishmam is. So don't give ishmam in lafz jalala. Make sure your lips should be in a straight position. Allah. And because of this waqf, you're giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madaratless sukun, and because of this sukun, you will give rakhawa here. In Hamza is sharp. For kasra, give E sound, attach it. Nun will get sifa up. Unna, this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Rab, ra is heavy. For fatha upon jaws, attach it. Ba will get sifa of shidda. The makhraj will cut off the sound. Rab, ba, for fatha upon jaws. Ka, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ha, from your throat with hams. For fatha upon jaws. Ki, 2 counts long. Keep kaf light. Mun, صفة توسط and حكمه إظهار. Ain from your throat. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Lim. Because of this work, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukun. And because of this sukun, you are giving tawassut here too. ويوم يحشرهم جميعا يا معشر الجن قد استكثرتم من الإنس وقال أولياؤهم من الإنس ربنا استمتع بعضنا ببعض وبلغنا أجلنا الذي أجلت لنا قال النار مثواكم خالدين فيها إلا ما شاء الله إن ربك حكيم عليم. ومخرج of vowel. Circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws. Kaf is light. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Gives up the ba by engaging the right makhraj of dal. Li for kasra give e sound. Ka for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Nu for the circle in lips, the sound is short. Well. For makhraj of vowel. Circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws, attach it. Lam. Well. Welly. 2 counts long. Ba. Ba is light. Ain from your throat with the wasut. Ba. Dad is heavy. Dha is heavy. And as you will touch dha, your tongue should stick on it should be pasted on your palate, and the should have a nice rakhawa. Rakhawa is flow of sound. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. And can you notice that when you are making the long, this alif will be heavy too. So make sure you make it heavy. Li for kasra give e sound. Ni na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Iqlab. So you're exchanging the sound of noon into meme. So this change is called iqlab. Of course with gunna. B for kasra give e sound. Ma 2 counts long. Ka 2 counts long. Nu. Can you notice all those long vowels should be from your mouth? It is from your jawf, not from your nasal passage. Nu 2 counts long. Ek for fatha upon jaws, attach it. Kaf will get sip of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Ek si for kasra give e sound. Boon. Because of this work, you're giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarit lis sukun. وكذلك نولي بعض الظالمين بعضا بما كانوا يكسبون. Yeah, two counts long. Ma. For fatha upon jaws attach with ain. Ain should be from your throat with tawassut. Sh for fatha upon jaws. Ral. Ra is heavy because there is fatha on it. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Jin. For kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni. For kasra give the sound is short. Well, makhraj of pause. Circle in your lips. Fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Yeah. This ikhfa is so beautiful. You are going towards the makhraj of seen. You are hiding the sound in your nose. And the most important part of ikhfa is gunna. So you make sure you keep the sound in your nose nicely. See, for kasra give e sound. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. Lam for fatha upon jaws attached with meme. You will get sifa of tawassut. Yeah, yeah, is soft. For fatha upon jaws attached with hamza. Hamza will the makhraj of hamza will cut off the sound abruptly. Yeah, T for kasra give e sound, very sharp sound. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with meme. You will get sifa of tawassut. Oru, ra is heavy for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Su for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Lum, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ming, the ikhfa with kaf is, it sounds like you are about to say ink. So this is how you say in this ikhfa. Minkum. For Dhamma circle ellipse attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Yes, light for fatha upon jaws. Qus, qaf is heavy for Dhamma circle ellipse attached with sad. Sad will get sifa of rakhawa. It has safid and it is heavy. Qus, qussu, su. For Dhamma circle ellipse and make it 2 counts long. Na, for fatha upon jaws. Ain from your throat. Lay. This is lean, so when you are attaching fatha with ya, you are making it soft. Alaykum. For the circle ellipse attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut. 2 counts long. Ya. Keep ya light, make it 2 counts long. T, 2 counts long. Wa, makhraj of power circle in your lips, fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. You, you. For Dhamma, you're circling your lips. As you will touch Ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position. You are keeping the sound in your nose. You are keeping your mouth ready to say letter Dal. Yudi, yudi, ru. Ra is heavy for Dhamma, circle your lips. Make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut. Li for kasra give e sound. Qa. Qaf is heavy. So because of qaf, this long vowel is heavy too. And this is mad muttasil wajib. Make it 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp of a top on jaws. Yaw, keep ya light. And this is waw lean. So when you are attaching fatha with waw, it is soft. Yaw, mi. Focus give e sound. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with me. We will get sifa of tawassut. Ha, 2 counts long. The, 2 counts long with zabzaba. Remember, when you are engaging the right makhraj of dal, this sound will be definitely there. Ha, the, qa. Heavy, make it 2 counts long. And to make any letter heavy, you're not circling your lips, but only lifting your tongue up. Qalu. For the circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Sh for fatha upon your jaws, and the sound is short. Heed for kasra give e sound attached with dal. Dal should get a nice crispy qalqala. Heed na 2 counts long. Ain from your throat. La light lam. make it 4 counts long because this is munfasil jaiz. Uh, Hamza, the sharpness of Hamza should stay there, and then you will engage the ikhfa. And ikhfa, make sure you keep the sound in your nose, and you're going towards the makhraj of fa. Fu, fu. Give hams in fa for the circle lips. Si, na, si. For kasra, the sound is short. Na, 2 counts long. Wa, makhraj of always circle in your lips. For fatha upon jaws. Gharu. Keep it munfatiha and musta'aliya. غرت راء get توسط غرت, and ta will get hams. Hams is flow of breath. Rut, rut, غرت. Who for the circle lips, the sound is short. Mul for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sip of tawasut. Ha, give hams, give, ha should be from your throat with hams. Ha, yeah, light, and make it 2 counts long. Tud, for the circle lips attached with dal. Dal will get sipa of shidda. The sound will cut off the sound. Tud, dun. This is إظهار مطلق. So give the wasat here. Dun, ya, 2 counts long. Wa, makhraj of waw is circling your lips. Fatha upon jaws. Sh, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. He, for kasra, give e sound. Do, for the circling lips, make it 2 counts long. A, ain from your throat, for fatha upon jaws. La, mad munfasil jaiz, make it 4 counts long. Make sure it should be from your jawf, not from your nasal passage. Hamza, the shidda of Hamza should stay there. And then there is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light. Keep your tongue straight, and you are keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Fu, fu, give hams in fa for the circle lips. The sound is short. Si, for kasra, give e sound. Him, for kasra, give e sound attached with mim. You will get sip of tawasut, and hukmuhu idhar. An, hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws is attached with noon. Noon will get sip of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha open jaws. Hum, for the circle attached with me will get sip of tawasut, and hukmuhu idhar. Ka, keep kaf light, make it 2 counts long. Nu, for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Ka, 2 counts long. Fi, give hams in fa, for kasra, give e sound. Reen. Because of this fact, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon. And you're giving tawassut on noon because it is with sukoon now. يا معشر الجن والإنس ألم يأتكم رسل منكم ألم يأتكم رسل منكم يقصون عليكم آياتي وينذرونكم لقاء يومكم هذا قالوا شهدنا على أنفسنا وغرتهم الحياة الدنيا وشهدوا على أنفسهم أنهم كانوا كافرين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.